Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to perform iCloud backup on iPhone 16. Let's begin. So all you want to do is simply go to your settings, go to your Apple account. Here you want to go to your iCloud. And in here you want to go to iCloud backup. As you can see, currently we have disabled the option to actually automatically backup my phone is disabled. So let's enable it. And now the little button backup now appears. So all you have to do is simply click it. And now our phone will automatically will back up now all our data, all our applications, messages, images, etc, etc. And as you can see, after 1 minute our phone will simply be backed up. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.